Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush from More Reviews, and it's your Discover boy Rush, our Discover boss Rush. So we're on Kenhill Drive. We're in Pembroke. To the right is the Boulevard Shopping Center, and we're taking a drive from Pembroke, you know, down to Red Hills Road side, down to Perkins Boulevard side. So that's where we're driving today. So stay tuned, drive along, and definitely leave a comment, like the video, share the video as well. So it's another driving video, and thanks for clicking, thanks for joining. So Kenhill Drive, heading in the direction of Red Hills Road, Perkins Boulevard side. So it's the same cry every day, you know, the potholes. You have to be skipping and dodging pothole and choosing which one of the pothole to go in. Pothole to go in. Yeah, same cry every day. Seems as if the rain is coming down, guys. It's the rainy season, hurricane season. You know, rain every other day or every day. You know, the sun was just out. Alright guys, so Kenhill Drive, Pembroke, heading into Red Hills Road side. So stay tuned. So the Pembroke Community Center is right in front of us. The Pembroke All Methodist Church on the left, just past there. So we're now leaving the community of Pembroke Hall, and we're also finishing Canal Drive. So we're now heading back onto Malines Road. So we are back on Malines Road. Alright, so we're now heading up to Queensborough. Oh, a question for you guys. I haven't researched it myself, but you know, I was once told that Malines Road is the longest road in Jamaica. Is that the case? Because we know Malines Road runs straight from basically Alfred 3, which is Eastwood Park Road, and it goes all the way to the foot of Red Hills. So is Malines Road really the longest road in Jamaica? Let me know in the comment section in terms of Malines Road being that longest road. Leave your comments, guys. So we're in Queensborough, or just outside of Queensborough. Recently did a video in that community, a drive around Queensborough, so I'll put that in the description for you guys as well. Alright, so it seems as if the rain has gone back up a little bit. So we'll continue straight ahead and we'll drop out right at the foot of Red Hills Road. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so this is it. We are in Meadowbrook, right at the foot of the Red Hills Road. Definitely leave your comments, and thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share.